Dancehall superstar Pato Boy has attacked musician BSG Labongo, telling him to invest in his music, do good videos, and stop making noise. A very good morning to every one of you who is on the channel. Big up on yourself wherever you are. My name is Tony Ariel, aka Mr. Twa, and I'm here to welcome you to yet again another YouTube video. Yeah, I'm here to bring you latest celebrity and entertainment news. Yeah, dancehall superstar by the names of Pato Boy, who is known for very many hit songs, came up with a rather controversial statement on social media. Actually, this one was a reaction in the comments where he said, let me just read it directly. With respect, Mr. BSG Labongo, work hard, produce good quality audios, invest in good quality videos, show good examples to the young generation, and stop making noise because they will not sympathize with you. NB, it's business, bro. Hate me for the truth. Toy Boy, new audio drops on the 1st November. Them talk, we walk. So that is what Pato Boy had to say, sending a very strong message there to BSG Labon. Eh, Jemine liet moma pedong yor. Pato Boy tia katiki we makiloni Toy Boy. Toy Boy bukati inindwa chiel meduma part chiel 2024. So chamoki ken uh, chamoki ken diri no Toy Boy pa Pato Boy ti woko. Now kai neno title me we Toy Boy ni rook money ti ye. Yeah, rook money ti ye. Okay, before we get to that, wado kong chen botla we makiloni Ediwizi. Ediwizi warla kubukubu ne mo makiloni kolo ma tika kok ma terde da maka cher TikTok platform who can wang kolo tika kok iro mo madong pedong wachi. But pull down tika wachi lyrics me we pa Ediwizi kolo ni eni beru chalo tie this song. Dana maduong tia wachi ne ni kolo ma Ediwizi werni beru chalo tie this song. So ampanga ka ini winyu weni imete na chani panga ka no iwinyu weni eni but ka futpia winyu ke ring ke YouTube channel pa Ediwizi chike win kong we la kubuku ne makiloni kunu ni chi dugi commenting Ediwizi jin ki Pato Boy guber ki tele kit me PM musically ma guru dana ya chuli yin ki kidgum irwo momo pe wache results me rub gini fans ngeo an paron wacho ne ento pewberu yon. Now inge concert Ediwizi uchike bot fans ni bi war la kubukubu. Alia before Pato Boy bo war la kubukubu en la kubukubu pa Pato ne lo uberduon yetu twal. So pange ko Ediwizi waro kulu me proving point mo ene wabin yang la chen because abin no kare a logo ki en. So kulu tie wako antiga mako ma tia kok mate. Ento dan ma pol tia wachi kulu eni ti this song. So in my tia nana chani ten commenti makwa we en makiloni kulu unyo ka futpie winyo ring ati YouTube channel pa Ediwizi win chi je du kan ten comment ma megi. Now getting back to we pa Pato Boy eni mambo waru diri ni ndo chiel meduma par chiel makiloni Toy Boy Toy Boy Toy Boy ne chalo maro bero response mano chotika responding to la kukupa Ediwizi. I am just speculating. I don't know, but waku wanen gina time diri ka weni eni ukati wako. Otherwise, kamoki ken ma iti ye actual mot buri and afui mateko chwal pi chwako channel mamegwa kenendo ngwate riandong almost you 100k subscribers. And anyway, is because of you. Big up on yourself. Come on, can ma inti here. So, diri we manyen makati kipot pato lava boy. Tie makiloni toy boy. Konti response to kulu ma edi wizu warni wabenyang da nyima nyim kunu. So, mona gina tie enu. Pato lava boy uchilu BSG la bon ki loku mo man tek. Pangeo ngo ko mo wa paro lava boy lo kiren anto lo kani nan chwe chwinti ye pen wachi ki war ma dit Mr. BSG la bon ti mate you audios mati quality mabe ket chente I video ma ini yubu nyut la nyut mabe bot lutino matem tem we wo to twal pieni pegu butamo kida ikomi NB wan watie ka timo biashara ana tie biashara pe kwera pi wacho loda chi umete ki wae ni toy boy ma wene manyien ubukati inindo achiel medo mapar chiel unu mete ki lo wan wamete ki won so mone gina tie eno pato tiga rupo mapedong lare rupa cho tek diri waku winyo wene manyien makiloni toy boy. Yeah, so mone gina tie abi mete ki mini u updates mapol ikom je manotika time ikom malume Uganda kan otherwise big up on yourself.